there's going to be a stay away provision on this bond to stay away from an Anthony Cooper. Do you understand that?
Yes, does that mean that that's a restraining order, or I have to go to court for a restraining order?
It's not a restraining order. It's a stay away provision that's posted on your bond. If you were to violate this stay away provision um, by having contact with Mr. Cooper, it could lead to a felony charge of aggravated stalking. And
And
there's no bond for an aggravated stalking charge.
question, I've been living in my house for 2 years, and he's been in and out for the last like month or so, 2 months. So what am I supposed to do about that? Do I not get to live in my house?
Currently, no. If that's where he is living, currently, no. I don't have any authority to remove an alleged victim from a residence, even if that person doesn't own the residence. Because if you allowed the person to live there, that was a decision that you made.
But do they live there though? If they come in and out, like because there's no keys, there's no mail, you don't have anything there. Nothing's there of you. Only I'm there. So it's
Okay.
only like when you come in and out. You don't even have keys to my house or anything. And then he told the officers that he wanted to be escorted out. So I'm trying to figure out how does this work because it's me and my 3 kids.
Okay. So people make their lives complicated. Okay. I can't be the person that's at your home deciding how you live your life. Okay. That's a decision that you have to make. All I can do is tell you that this stay away provision is for the person, not a particular location. So if Mr. Cooper is not at your house, you're free to go to your house.
And they just
If
let me know that I have a stay away that he can't be present in my presence or I can be in his presence.
no, um, and the reason we place a stay away provision on this is very simple. Whatever disagreement you had led to your being arrested. We don't want whatever that disagreement was that took place to flare itself up again this evening because we just simply don't have the resources to keep having law enforcement come out to your place. Okay?
I guess
So
I guess sorry, Yana. I guess I'm just trying to ask if he's not present and I go there, he still has a right to come in and I have to then leave.
I can't make a determination about that because I don't know your living arrangements.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, and I'm just okay. Yes.
Like, okay, so let me just try to say it as simply as I can. If you've allowed Mr. Cooper to move in and out of your house, that's a decision that you made. I don't know if he has established residence there. I don't, because I don't have that information. Because we
I get
try to stay out of people's lives,
mhm.
okay? Let grown people be grown people. When law enforcement is called in and judges have to get involved, you got to set bright lines so that everybody understands. Because, and I don't live in the fantasy world. I know that when I set a stay away provision, people get back together that same night. And if that's what you choose to do with Mr. Cooper, that's fine until he decides he's gonna call the police on you, and then you get an aggravated stalking charge.
I'm just trying to protect myself. If I go home and he comes there because they said, oh, he can break in however he needs to if he's living or he's here. My question is, do I then call the police and am I protected not to go back to jail because I'm in the residency and he's now come there? That's what I'm trying to get.
You most likely will go to jail. And that's and I don't, and the thing is, I can't provide you legal advice. I can provide a lawyer to you that you can ask these questions to a lawyer and the lawyer can give you legal advice.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
And I
ma'am.
know that it sounds horrible, but I can't get in the middle of whatever situation is going on and then also be a neutral and detached judge. And the best advice I can give you, ma'am, is not to have someone living in your house unless there's a legal arrangement. Okay. Uh-oh, looks like you froze. Okay. Did you hear that from me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're free to go back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.